Hello children, I hope all of you are doing good. Now in the EVS class, we will learn something about our body. Yes, this is my body. Each and every one of us have two hands, have two eyes, have one nose, have two ears, have two mouth. Oops, no, not two mouth, only one mouth. So today we will be learning about our body. Children, you must have seen a computer, right? There are many parts of a computer. You have a mouse, you have the monitor, this is my monitor, you have the keyboard, you have the CPU. And all these parts, they work together to make the computer work. Just like that, we have different parts of our body, right? We use our hands to do something. We use our legs to do something. We use our brains to do something, right? So, every one of us, okay, have body parts that help us to function properly. Okay, just like machines. Children, if you can see this boy, he is so happy and you can see the different parts of his body. Hair, eyebrow, eye, ear, mouth, stomach. Oh, that is how you burp. Sorry. Stomach, hand, leg, knee. So these are the different parts of our body. These body parts you can see with your eyes, right? I can see my hands, I can see my eyes. ये सारे organs you can see. They are outside. That is why they are called external organs or external parts. Okay? Remember, the parts of the body that you can see or they are outside, बाहर है, उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? External organs or external parts. Now, if you can see here, there is an image. The head blows up and the brain flies away. It's a comedy video, but what I want you to understand is that the organs that are inside our body, for example, the brain is inside your head. इस part में आपका brain है. So all those parts that are inside, जिनको आप देख नहीं सकते, those are called internal organs, okay, or internal parts. Now, I told you that the brain is inside our head. You can see the brain. Yes, this is the brain. Brain is an internal organ. Now, children, the brain is very important. Okay, it helps us in thinking and feeling. Whatever we do, ठीक है, ये सारी चीज़ें कौन करवाता है? हमारा brain. For just like the CPU is for the computer, है ना? So the brain helps us in thinking and feeling. It controls our movements and all workings of our body. जितने भी वर्क होते हैं हमारे बॉडी में, कौन कंट्रोल करता है? हमारा ब्रेन. So important. Now we come to our part, because we all love eating, है ना? भूख भी लगती है. So we are coming to our stomach. Now the stomach is over here. It is in your belly. Okay, so this is your stomach. Now the stomach, the food that you eat, it goes into your stomach through a pipe, a long pipe, if you can see here, है ना, through a long pipe, and that is called the food pipe. So this is the food going through the long pipe into the stomach. Okay, now what does the stomach do? It helps us to digest this food. जो भी खाना हम खाते हैं उसको हमारा स्टमक क्या करता है? डाइजेस्ट करता है. ओके, now next is the lungs. Now the lungs is inside your chest. आपका ये जो चेस्ट एरिया है इसके अंदर आपको लंग्स मिलेंगे. Now the lungs are very important. This is how we breathe using our lungs. Can you see? The lungs are contracting and expanding. है ना? बड़ा हो रहा है, छोटा हो रहा है, जैसे हम बलून के साथ करते हैं, right? So the lungs, they help us to breathe. Okay, it helps us to breathe. It is also an internal organ. Now the next is our heart. Heart के ऊपर कितने सारे गाने हैं, है ना? So this is our heart. Without the heart we cannot live. And let me tell you one interesting thing. Now the heart is the size of your wrist. ये जो आपने बंद किया है ना, आपकी बंद मुट्ठी के जितना होता है आपका हार्ट. Now you will know how big your heart is. बंद मुट्ठी करके देखिए, उतना बड़ा आपका हार्ट है. Okay, now the heart is very important, children, because it supplies blood to your entire body. सारे body parts में, if you can see here, दुक 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 दुक, है ना? It makes the sound lub dub, and it beats all the time. It always does this. ठीक है? Now let me show you the sound. सुना? This is the sound that it makes. Okay, again. Now next, now whenever we are going, जब कोई गिर जाता है, okay, और if he is having elbow गिर जाता है तो डॉक्टर क्या बोलता है ना? Whenever you fall or you hurt your elbow, the doctor says to get an X-ray. Now this is an X-ray machine. When we get an X-ray, we see the bones, है ना? हमारे बॉडी के अंदर जो bones होते हैं, we can see that. Now this bony framework, ये जो पूरा framework है, this is called the skeleton. Now the skeleton is very important for our body because it is the main framework of the body, है ना? जब हम घर बनाते हैं तो हम पहले पिलर्स बनाते हैं, आपने देखा होगा, है ना? हम पिलर्स बनाते हैं and then we make the house. So just like that, first we have the skeleton, then we have the muscles, and then we have all the organs and our skin. It gives shape to our body. हमारे body को क्या करता है? shape देता है. And it protects the internal parts. ये जो brain है, heart है, lungs है, all these are very soft. Okay, so the brain is inside our head and our heart and lungs are inside this rib cage. ये आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, I am circling it. This is the rib cage. इसके अंदर आपका lungs होता है और heart होता है. So this bone is protecting it so that it does not get damaged. Okay. Now this is a baby. Do you know the baby has 350 bones? But when this baby becomes an adult, जब वो बड़ा होता है तो उसके पास सिर्फ होते हैं 206 bones. So मेरे पास भी 206 है, आपके पास भी 206 है, but एक छोटे बेबी के पास होते हैं 350 bones. Okay? Now children, हमारे skeleton के ऊपर, now the skeleton, on top of that we have our muscles. Can you see the muscles here? Yes, so these are the muscles and on top of that we have our skin. Okay, उसके ऊपर हमारे skin है. Now these muscles, they are very important because it is under our skin and it helps us in movement of our parts of our body. Movement में हमें help करता है. Okay, the muscles help us. Now what do the muscles do? Let us see. It helps us move, जो मैंने आपको already बताया है. It helps us walk, smile and wink. आँख मारना. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. My God. And the brain is the king. It controls all our muscles and makes them work. Now children, we are going to see the body parts and their function. The first picture, if you see, it is the hands. You use your hands for writing. You use your hands for holding something. I am holding my pen. You use your hands for eating. You use your hands for throwing. You use your hands for catching. Okay. Then we have our feet. 2 feet. We use our feet for standing. We use our feet for running. We use our feet for jumping. We use our feet for kicking. And we use our feet for walking. Now I cannot show you that, but I'm sure you have understood. Then I have my mouth. I use my mouth for eating. Yum, yum, yum. I use my mouth for laughing. Ha, 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 ha. I use my mouth for speaking, just like I am doing it right now. And I use my mouth for smiling. Whenever I meet someone, I smile. Okay, so these are the body parts and their functions. Now children, do you know that we have some sense organs? What do you mean by sense? जिस चीज़ को आप फील कर सकते हो, है ना? So that is sense organs. Now we have 5 sense organs. Now those sense organs are eyes, nose, tongue, ears, and our skin. Skin is all over our body. Okay. Now we are going to read the functions of these sense organs using a poem. My eyes can see the bright sun. My nose can smell hot cinnamon buns. My ears can hear the big loud drum. My tongue can taste good things. Yum yum. My hands can feel the sand. What fun. I like my senses, everyone. So these are my 5 senses. I can see with my eyes, I can smell with my nose, I can hear with my ears, and I can taste with my tongue, and I can feel with my skin. Okay. So children, that is all for today. I hope you have understood many things and you have learned new things. Now explore your body parts. Repeat it again and again. Till then, take care of yourselves and bye-bye.